Hello kids! Let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. We are going to write the uppercase Y. We'll start at the top and do the slanted line to the right and go back to the top and do another slanted line to the left. Then we'll do straight line to down. Let's continue writing the lowercase y. Start in the middle line and do a slanted line to the right, then go back to the middle line and do the slanted line to the left. Good job! You are getting better with each try. Keep on practicing. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!